Hi, this is Lindsay from The Homey Life, and today I'm going to show you how to make spreadable butter. It's so easy. You'll be amazed that you haven't started making this sooner. The first thing you're going to want actually is a container. You want to know how big your container is. You're going to get half that amount in butter. So I have a 500 ml container, so I want a cup of butter. You just cut that in half, and then you're going to leave it at room temperature until it's nice and soft. Put equal amount of oil. Now I really do actually like to use avocado oil when I have it, or like a grapeseed oil. You don't want to really use olive oil. It's a very strong taste, and I really wouldn't kind of recommend coconut oil. It goes really, really hard. Then blend it all together until it's nice and smooth, and pour it into the container that you have chosen. After that, you're just going to place it in the fridge for about 12 hours. You'll find that it will harden nicely, and that's it. It'll be super easy to spread and put onto your toast, pancakes, whatever your heart desires, and I love it. Making your own butter from home is cheaper, it's easy, and it's a lot healthier than your store-bought options. I'll have the link in the description so you can go straight to the blog post and find the printable recipe there with written instructions if you like. Don't forget to subscribe for more from scratch cooking, and like this video if you enjoyed it. I will see you again in the next video. Have a lovely day.